Travis County District Attorney Rosemary Lemberg is preparing to face the legal system herself. Lemberg was arrested Friday night around 10:45 on DWI charges. Travis County Sheriff deputies pulled over the 63-year-old on FM 620 in West Austin. Witnesses tell us she was swerving and driving in the shoulder of the road.
I've never seen anyone drive like that really ever.
Lemberg bonded out of jail yesterday morning and apologized in a statement on her Facebook, but the legal implications could continue. Our Angie Bevan joining us in the studio now with more on this case and what it could mean for future criminal cases.
Well, Dave, Lemberg has indicated that she will plead guilty to the DWI charges. She's also said she doesn't plan to resign as district attorney. The DA is the top law enforcement official in the county, so this could have some real implications on similar cases.
I'm very shocked over it. I'm surprised.
News quickly spread of District Attorney Rosemary Lemberg's DWI arrest.
They know the law, you know, as opposed to a regular citizen who may not be aware of many of these things. Of course, a DWI, everybody should know.
Now it's up to Travis County Attorney David Escamilla to prosecute Lemberg. Legal analyst Adam Lowy, who has no connection to the case, says Escamilla will likely come up with a plea deal.
I believe it should be a fairly harsh plea. I think there needs to be a message sent to the community that drinking and driving is unacceptable, especially when you are in a position of power like District Attorney Lemberg is.
Lowy says if Lemberg isn't given due punishment, it could not only send the wrong message, but set the tone.
I believe you will see a lot of trials where defense lawyers in defending drunk driving defendants will say, look, my client is just like the district attorney. They both made a mistake. They both drank and drive.
As Lemberg prepares to go before the court, some have a sense of forgiveness.
At least she's taking, responsibility for her actions. People make mistakes and they learn from them.
Yet others think she shouldn't serve out her term.
If the DA is engaging in behavior that goes counter what the law says for everybody else, then she shouldn't be a DA.
Lemberg was re-elected Travis County District Attorney this past November. Her term runs through the end of 2016. Live in the studio, Angie Bevan, KXAN News.
Well, as we mentioned, Lemberg's showing no signs of resigning. She plans to finish out her term, but there are legal avenues that could potentially force her out. Texas local government code spells out what would qualify in the removal of a DA or other local officials. There are 3 reasons: incompetency, official misconduct, or intoxication on or off duty caused by drinking and alcoholic beverages. Travis County commissioners would have to initiate a removal process, and it's a lengthy process. Still, many Democrats who dominate the commissioners' court do not want Lemberg out. The Travis County District Attorney is the most powerful in the state because it contains the unit that prosecutes public corruption. If she stepped down or was removed, Governor Perry, a Republican, would name her successor.